Hello, welcome again to my YouTube channel Ashwini's Life Solution. As we already know that we are making one series on 21st century skills, and nowadays we are discussing the skills from life skills. In today's video we are going to discuss on initiative, the skill initiative. Then what is the meaning of initiative? If you want to be successful in your life, you need another skill with leadership, that is initiativeness. Then what is the meaning of initiative? Initiative means the ability to take action or to take a charge before others do. Then again the question arises in my mind that what is taking action for and what is taking charge for? The answer is for getting success, for successful in life. Then again the question arises in my mind that what is the meaning of success? To earn or acquire a lot of money is the success, or to get name and fame in society, is that a success? Or to have a lot of ancestral property is a success, or to have a strong political background is success. What is this success? Then I come to one of the conclusion that the definition of success is not same for each and every person in the society. The definition of success varies from person to person. Yet it is the one. But from my point of view, success means what I want in my life from bottom of my heart and can be able to establish it in the outer world. That is success for human being. Again, I remind one of the definition of Mano or human being, which is defined by my Guru A. Nagaraj in his Madhyastha Darshan, which is in Hindi and the most appealing one. The definition is like that: मानव मनाकार को साकार करने वाला और मनस्वस्थता को प्रमाणित करने वाला. यही मानव means whatever I want to achieve in my life, that is my desire, and that I get, that I want to establish in the society, in the outer world. It is the success for human being. As we have already discussed in previous videos, the life of the human being can be divided into the 5 domains. In the 5 domains, these domains are intellectual, emotional, physical, social and financial. Means the human life is summed up in these 5 domains only. The next thing is that, so what I want in these 5 domains in my life, and that then what I can do for this, and then taking action is the key to be initiative in one's life. That is the initiativeness. That is the initiativeness, because it is my own dream to achieve something in these 5 domains, and then who will work for it? Only me. So what I want is the self-inspired, self-motivated, and hence the self-initiativeness is needed there. Means the same condition is applied for any institution. Means if you are the head of the institution, or you are running one of the company or anything, or the business, you are running one of the business, that what I want for my institution, for its progress, and what can I do for its progress is the key, is here also, here is the key to take initiative. Means the skill of initiativeness is applied both in individual and in the institutional life, as well as the skill of initiativeness is works for progress as well as to solve the problem. There are a lot of initiators in this world who are taking action against for the whole humanity or for one of the major part of the humanity. These are generally known as the whistleblower in society or in the world. These whistleblowers are nowadays, if we are talking about the current situation, Greta Thunberg for environment is the initiator. Malala Yousafzai is the initiator for taking action in the field of education. Mahatma Gandhi or other freedom fighters taking initiativeness for the freedom struggle in India. Baba Amte is the initiator taking action against action in the field of social service, and the list goes on. These are the initiators. These are the person who take initiative regarding to some of the problem or for the progress. And here the leadership goes to those persons who are the initiators, because the quality, the skill, the initiative and the leadership are the two sides of the same coin. So for human being to be successful in life, you need to be the initiative and the leadership qualities. You need to be take the action and the leadership. And the leader takes the action, the leaders be the initiator, and the initiator ultimately the leader. So such type of initiativeness is the demand of the 21st century, that each and every child, each and every student of this 21st century needs to be skillful with the skill initiative. And again, the thing goes on like this, that where the initiativeness we get it in education, in our family, in the school. So the teachers and the parents must have this quality of initiative first, and then it can be penetrated in the students, in the children of the society, which is the need of the time. It must be happen in our society, but the bad luck of our today's society is that we are progressing in the opposite direction of what we needed in 21st century. Why we are traveling in the opposite direction? Because we are afraid of the result of this action. You know that there must be reaction of any action in the society. It must be positive or it may be positive or negative, anything. But because of the fear of the reaction, we are not taking initiative for any cause. Whatever the action we saw in the society after taking initiative, means the person we are witnessing so many persons that they are taking initiative in different sectors, but we notice that the action in the society. But my point is that whatever the action we see in the society first happened in the inner world of the human being. By which process? What I want in my life, and then what I can do for that and take action is the initiative. Means the complete action happen in the inner world first, in the form of what I want, plan according to that, then take action and speak about the action. This alignment happened first in the inner world of the human being, and then we witness the happenings outside in the outer world or in the society. That is the need of the time. To be successful in life in 21st century, the quality of initiativeness and the quality of leadership are needed. As the Sadhguru says that whatever you want to do in your life, in the society or in the world, you have to go first. You have to travel inside first. Means to align yourself. That is what I want in my life. Then plan according to that. Then take action and speak about the action. That alignment is the success itself. After all, what is life? Life is what? What to give meaning to life is life. Thank you. If you like this video, then please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. We are going to meet with a new video. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.